to yes. Good evening guys, this is Andy from 2 Yes Gaming, and what I'm going to be doing tonight is I'm going to be changing my white PS5 into black. I've recently just bought a pair of faceplates, and so I'm just going to do a quick video just to show you what it looks like and a quick guide as to how to actually remove the plates from your PS5. It's a very straightforward process, so if you just watch what I do and let me know what you think. So to start off with, you pull the side with the PlayStation logo up and you push down towards the console, and this removes the top lid. Then you flip your console over and then you do the same side with this bottom corner here. So you lift it up and slide it down, and it all comes off just like that. So those are the original white plates off, as you can see, and I will quickly show you black ones. So here's the bottom half. Right here we have the top half. So looks pretty cool. So unfortunately this one doesn't have the cutout for the PlayStation logo, but I'm not too fussed about that. I just wanted to have a black one. So let's give it a go. So we'll go in reverse and put in the black plate in. We heard that click in. Flip it over. Get the black plate over. Let's make sure it's the right way around. And that's in as well. And that right there is how you swap your custom plates. So here's the PS5 from a different perspective after changing the white plates to black, and I've got to say it looks very slick. Really impressed with the quality. For 25 quid I can't really fault it. It's really good. Like I said in the previous bit when I was showing you how to change it, the only shame is that you don't have the PlayStation cutout here where you got the logo, but I'm not entirely fussed. Overall, really pleased with the product. Pretty good stuff.